We are using that pattern stamp here. Make an attraction there to have that design. So let's use the shapes. There is another shapes here. Add a paint. I will use that design. So we will take the razor tool. Make that Photoshop design. Let's choose that shape here. Also create a new shape. Have some structure there. We are using. Thank you.